Hi everyone! Today, let's talk about something super important but often overlooked, the phosphorus cycle. The phosphorus cycle, along with the water cycle, carbon cycle, and nitrogen cycle. The phosphorus cycle is another biogeochemical cycle that is essential for life on Earth.
Although phosphorus is not found in the atmosphere, it still plays a very important role in animals and plants on Earth. Phosphorus is essential for plant and animals' growth as well as inhabiting the soil. Phosphorus is very important for the production of DNA and RNA, helps to make up cell membranes, and plays a role in the production of ATP or the adenosine triphosphate.
Step 1. Weathering. Phosphorus is found in rock. Weathering along with rain breaks down the phosphorus in rock and it is traveled to the soil and to water resources.
Absorption by plants and animals. So once in the soil, plants, fungi, and microorganisms are able to absorb the phosphorus and then grow. So some phosphorus also makes its way to oceans and freshwater sources and the animals able sila nga makainom sa tubig ug maabsorb ang phosphorus. Ang mga tanom nga mag-absorb sa tubig kauban ng phosphorus ug pagkahuman ang mga hayop mukaon sa mga tanom ug ang mga phosphorus mosulod sa mga hayop nga nagkaon sa mga tanom nga naay phosphorus.
Step 3. Return to the environment by decomposition. Animals excrete waste and decomposers are able to use phosphorus in the waste material. For free, more plants and animals die in the bacteria converts into organic phosphorus into inorganic phosphorus in a process called mineralization.
So step 4 is sediment to rocks. So some phosphorus gets buried in sediment which over time become rocks. This cycle continues as some phosphorus in soil is washed in the ocean. The similar process takes place. So kaning sediment muni siya ang process pag mamatay na ang usa ka plant or usa ka animals then malata man siya so pwede sa mahimo na siya og sediment so over time masigig kalata mo nang na-decompose so galing mabutang dito sa pag malata na siya siyempre moro nagmaabo mo din ang sediment na siya kay humok naman kay tanan. So humans had a significant impact on the phosphorus cycle. So humans dako kay siya og abang sa phosphorus cycle. Muna ang magatiman sa tanom like magbutang og fertilizer sa usa ka plant